Being a dad used to mean showing up, paying bills, and staying tough. Not anymore. Today, being a good father means being present. And a lot of men are scared they're not doing it right. Let's be real. Most of us didn't grow up with perfect role models. Some of us had distant dads, some had none at all. Now here we are, trying to raise kids in a world that's constantly changing. And if you've ever searched how to be a good father, it's not because you're failing, it's because you care. So let's talk about what actually makes a good dad. First, be present, not just physically, mentally. Put the phone down, eye contact. Listen. It's not about how much time, it's about focus time. 10 minutes of real attention beats an hour of distracted scrolling. Next, learn to show love, your way. Hugs, high fives, notes in the lunchbox. Say I'm proud of you, even if it feels awkward. Love isn't weakness, it's leadership. Your child won't remember every rule you set, but they'll remember how you made them feel. Be the calm in their chaos. When they're throwing a tantrum, your reaction teaches them how to regulate. Yelling might get short-term control, but calm teaches long-term trust. You're not raising a child, you're raising an adult in progress. It's okay to mess up, just own it. Apologize when you lose your temper. Talk about your mistakes. Let them see you grow. Good fathers aren't perfect, they're consistent, honest, and keep trying. Co-parent like a team. Whether you're married or not, show respect for their mom. Don't argue in front of the kids. Back each other up. Your unity is their security. Work-life balance is real, and it's hard. Communicate with your partner. Set boundaries with your job when possible. Use even the small pockets of time, bedtime stories, walks, errands, to bond. If you can't be there for dinner, record a 10-second video telling them goodnight. Keep growing. Your kids are watching. Read, reflect, ask for help. Join dad groups, follow parenting pages, and talk to mentors. The fact that you're searching for answers, that already makes you better than you think. Being a good father doesn't come with a rule book. It comes with effort, presence, patience, and love. You're not alone in this journey. Every step you take toward being better, your kids feel it. So keep showing up, keep learning. You've got this. Share this with a dad who needs to hear it today. And let me know in the comments, what's one lesson fatherhood taught you that you never expected?